Are you struggling to implement AI technology across your organization? Facing challenges with AI adoption, process automation, and integration with your existing systems? Microsoft and Compusoft advisors are here to guide you on this journey. With Microsoft Copilot integrated into Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365, and Power Platform, AI-powered virtual assistants streamline workflows and boost productivity. At Compusoft Advisors, we specialize in tailoring Copilot solutions to fit your organization's unique needs. Our expertise ensures seamless integration, intelligent insights, and automation of routine tasks. Compusoft offers hands-on workshops to help you maximize the potential of Microsoft Copilot in your daily operations. From Microsoft 365 to Copilot Studio, we provide personalized training and best practices, ensuring maximum efficiency. Leverage Microsoft Copilot Studio with Compusoft advisors to build your own custom copilots. Our experts guide you every step of the way, helping you boost operational efficiency with solutions tailored to your business goals. Our AI workshops and assessments help you identify areas for productivity gains. We focus on optimizing AI for specific personas, automating processes, and improving KPIs. With over 25 years of experience in enterprise applications, Compusoft Advisors is your trusted AI Saarthi. Let us guide you through your AI transformation journey, ensuring sustainable growth and success. Contact us today to embark on your AI journey. Compusoft Advisors, your trusted AI Saarthi.